Okay, kids, today we're going to talk about some amendments. Do you all remember which one we were on?
The 14th Amendment.
That's right. Now, can any of you tell me what it is?
14th Amendment talks about citizens' rights and equal protection of the laws.
Good job. Now, throughout history, different court cases have addressed this amendment and looked to it when making their decisions. Can anyone give me an example of a historical court
Board of
case?
Education, they use the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment to decide that segregation of children in public schools only because of their race deprives students of the Equal Protection Clause.
Very good, Penelope. And what does the Equal Protection Clause say?
It says that a state cannot deny something. It says the state cannot have the power to deny a person's equal protection of the law.
That's great. Now tell me a more current case that has used a part of the 14th Amendment.
Well, in 2002, the case Sell versus United States asked the question if the government could give any antipsychotic drugs involuntarily to a mentally ill criminal defendant to make them adequate to stand trial for serious yet non-violent crimes. They decided that yes, the government has the right to do this, even against the defendant's will, under the legal provision of due process.
Wait, what's due process?
Due process is fair treatment through the normal judicial system. Very good. Now, there are any other vocabulary terms that relate to the 14th Amendment?
Well, in the 14th Amendment, it talks about selective incorporation, which is taking different parts of the Bill of Rights and using them in court cases.
Wait, doesn't civil rights have something to do with that too?
Actually, yes. Civil rights are the rights of citizens to political and social freedom and equality.
Very good, Penelope. Now, does anybody know how the 14th Amendment affects policymaking in our country?
She probably does.
As a matter of fact, I do. One of the biggest effects that the 14th Amendment has had on policymaking is the passing of the amendment giving voting rights to all men, regardless of color, and then women's suffrage.
Wow, that's a great explanation. Do you also know a misconception of the 14th Amendment?
No, wait, I actually know that one. It's that, unlike most people think, the 14th Amendment did not happen right away. It took a few court cases and for things to be enacted.
Very good. Great. Class students show we all know about the 14th Amendment.
Sorry,